We had a battle of the sexes rally. Before I get into particulars about the rally, I don't want to miss an opportunity to do something that I really ought to do more often, and that is laud or praise our ASB. We have an ASB. You know, it's real easy, you guys. It is really easy to sit, but to not get involved, and then sit back and kind of toss grenades in, right? It's kind of like if you've ever been to a football game, and you're on the sidelines and you're watching, because I go to every football game, and then you hear the comments up in the crowd from people that seem to know everything about the sport, but yet they don't take time out of their day to coach. Okay? The same thing about ASB. You have an opportunity with ASB. You're going to have an opportunity, Ms. Bolden, in a couple of weeks, right? To get involved with ASB. We'll have elections. You have an opportunity. We have House of Representatives, where we have a representative from every grade level that is responsible for getting feedback from those grade levels. So there are opportunities for you to get involved. Lastly, about the involvement, you know, we live in a democracy. It really is a privilege, and I would say it's an obligation for you guys to vote. If you don't vote for your ASB, I think you lose a little bit of credibility. I think you lose a little bit of right to complain. So if you vote, if you want to have some say in how we govern our schools, how your students govern what you do, you need to get out there and either do one of two things. Either participate, and you can see one of these great ASB kids, our ASB president, you can see our activities director. There is going to be lots of information about how to get involved. At the very least, though, when it comes time to vote, you need to vote. Okay, that's important. Now, back to the rally. Here's what I have to say about the rally. You know, as I tell kids all the time, if you have to ask yourself, should I or shouldn't I? The answer is probably, I shouldn't. I take full responsibility for anything that was offensive on Friday at that Battle of the Sexes rally. The reason why I take responsibility is I'm the principal. And it's my job to make sure that you guys, when we engage in things like that, when ASB works hard to engage in activities, it is my job to make sure that we have adult oversight. As wonderful as you guys are, you're still 15, 16, 17-year-old kids. It is a responsibility of the adults to provide oversight, and we fell down. And that's my responsibility. There were posters up here, you guys, that I don't think were particularly appropriate. I don't think it was the end of the world. I don't think there was any malice at all. I know these ASB kids, and I know where their heart is. Their heart is not in offending students. But I absolutely understand why some people were offended. Primarily because when I walked in here and I saw signs up there, I was a bit offended by a couple of these signs. So I get where you're coming from, and as the principal, I want to apologize for offending anybody at Friday's rally. Okay? We will continue to do a better job. We will work harder to make sure that we provide oversight to our students. All right? So now, let's talk about some exceptional students. Thank you.